l'himne de les Nacions Unides. I el 1971, doncs, ell va a les Nacions Unides amb motiu de l'estrena d'aquest himne i el conviden a fer un discurs. I fa un discurs impressionant que encara ara tots ens posa la pell de gallina ben segur i que comença amb una frase que és I am a Catalan. Jo sóc un català.
Podem tornar-ho a escoltar.
But let me say one thing. I am a Catalan. Today, a province of Spain. But what has been Catalonia? Catalonia has been the greatest nation in the world. I will tell you why. Catalonia has had the first parliament much before England. Catalonia had the beginning of the United Nations. All the authorities of Catalonia in the 11th century met in a city of France, at that time Catalonia, to speak about peace. The 11th century. Peace in the world, and the reigns war. The humanity of war. This was. I am so happy, so moved to be here with you, dear